In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online, walking you through each field so your books stay accurate and easy to review later. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one, and give the page a moment to fully load so all menus appear as expected. Next, look to the left side menu and click Expenses and Pay Bills, then choose Expense Transactions. If your layout looks a bit different, that's okay. Just head to the Expenses section on the sidebar and open your list of expense transactions. This is where all your recorded expenses will live. To add a new one, click New Expense. Depending on your view, you might also see a plus New button at the top left. If so, click that and then select Expense. Both paths lead to the same form. Now, fill in the expense details. For Payee, select the vendor you paid. If the name isn't there yet, you can add it on the spot so your records stay consistent and searchable. For payment account, choose the exact bank or credit card you used for the purchase. Selecting the right account keeps your balances accurate and helps avoid duplicate entries later. Enter the payment date as the actual date of the transaction. Then choose the payment method, cash, check, or card, so reports reflect how the money left your business. In the category field, pick the expense account that best describes what you bought, like utilities or office supplies. This is crucial for accurate reporting and budgeting. If you're unsure, think about how you'd want to see this cost show up on your profit and loss report, and choose the category that fits that purpose. Type the amount of the expense, double-checking for accuracy. If you have any helpful context, like a subscription period or an internal note, add it to the memo field. If you have a receipt, attach it here to keep everything documented in one place. Clear attachments make reviews, audits, and tax time much easier. When you're done, click Save and Close to finish, or choose Save and New if you need to add another expense right away. That's it. Your expense is recorded and ready to flow into your reports. By following these steps each time, you'll keep your books clean, consistent, and audit-ready. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your expenses into QuickBooks the right way.